Give two important uses of washing soda and baking soda. Washing soda. Washing soda is a whitish, odorless powder. Its chemical formula is Na2CO3 and is better known as sodium carbonate. It is hygroscopic, which means it absorbs moisture in the air. It is extremely water soluble and creates a strong alkaline water solution. Solvay's process is used to synthesize the washing soda, which includes the reaction of sodium chloride (CO2) and ammonia in water. The calcium carbonate produces the carbon dioxide involved, and the calcium oxide left is used to extract ammonia from ammonium chloride. Uses of washing soda. Washing soda is used for removing burnt-on grease from kitchen utensils. It is prominently used in soap, glass, and paper industries. It also helps in the removal of the permanent hardness of the water. Baking soda. Baking soda is the common name of sodium bicarbonate. The chemical formula of baking soda is NaHCO3. Sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate has a monoclinic crystalline structure. Sodium bicarbonate molecules feature one sodium cation and one bicarbonate anion. Here, one ionic bond is formed between the positively charged sodium ion and the negatively charged oxygen. Uses of baking soda. Reduces the acidity in the stomach. Used in the process of washing as a water softener. Due to the formation of soapy foam, it is used in fire extinguishers. Removes the dirt of materials without damaging the properties of the material. Baking soda acts as a chemical leavener. It reacts with an acid to produce carbon dioxide or loads of bubbles, a process that allows cake, cookies, and other baked goods to rise. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you.